Hi there, my name is Vadim Michalenko, and in this quick video I'd like to talk to you about the internship course, and specifically what's the best way for you to create a quality guide or tutorial that's required as part of this ITSUP-198 class. So number one, choose the subjects that you're interested in, something that you're passionate about, something that you're excited about. Don't choose something that you don't have much passion in. And that will drive your interest, and this will drive the topics. If in the list of topics that I provided there's nothing that might be interests for you, just pick something yourself, create a topic, and just run it by me. Send it to me via email and let me know what you've selected. And this way I will be able to approve it. Most likely I will approve it as long as it's related to IT support, as long as it's related to business, information technology, and productivity tools, or any of the topics that we've taught and you studied as part of the classes. Another thing is you want to create something that will teach others useful skill, and they will be able to accomplish something valuable with this. So for example, you can pick a topic of how do you install Windows 8.1, or how do you install Windows on the Mac, or obviously you can choose one of the topics in the list of ideas I have provided to you. You want to cover the subject in depth. Assume that your reader doesn't know much about it, and you want to do this exercise yourself, and you would like to probably get experienced on the topic that you're researching. Maybe take pictures, take videos, learn what others are writing online about the topic, and just develop some tips and tricks, and make sure that you are a trainer and you're teaching others to do it, and you want to write it in the good quality English, and make it attractive for reading by others. So one thing you probably would want to mix is the text and the images, right? If this is a tutorial how to install Windows 7, for example, pretty simple exercise that most of you have done is you probably would want to take images all the way through once you're doing the installation. You also would want to think, how can you take images? Because if you're doing it on a brand new PC, that might be challenging. But for example, if you do it on a virtual machine or VMware machine, that will make it easier, because this way you can take screen prints in VMware, for example. So that's an important aspect. How many images? Some people were asking me, probably between 7 to 10. But I mean, if you can do it in 5 images, that's going to be fine too. So probably 5 is the bare minimum in terms of images for the tutorial. But the more the merrier. The visual information is much more appealing to the readers. You also want to list the steps as bullets or numbers. And title your subject maybe 7 tips of how to install Windows 7 faster, or how to install Windows 7 on multiple computers within an hour, or something like this. And then just list those steps. So don't try to write large paragraphs. Instead, try to focus on this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 1, 2, 3, or whatever the number you choose. Doesn't really matter. But as long as it's an organized, thought through tutorial, this will certainly give a quality information to the reader, and this will give you a satisfaction that you've accomplished something valuable. Also, you would want to think about how you can create attractive headline for the post. That's extremely important, right? Because headline is something that attracts attention. I gave you some examples. But if you think of something more creative, research headlines. What are the headlines that attract people, and just make it something. Want to make it something vivid, because this is going to be part of your portfolio, right? That you might be able to show to the employers. And the more attractive headline is, the more chances you have to attract others through Google search, or through some other search engine optimization mechanisms. And the good rule of thumb is this: you want to create something that you're proud of, you want to become an expert yourself, and obviously you would want to have fun. This is what our program is all about. You learn something and you have fun along the way. So good luck. If you have any questions, just email me, mikhailv@matc.edu, and I would be happy to answer any of the questions you have. And make sure to check out what others are writing at matcitsupport.org, just to get an idea of what we are looking for and what's considered to be a good quality post. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.